How to lock Samsung phone remotely. So if you discover that your Samsung phone is stolen, misplaced, or lost, and I want to lock it remotely to protect your data or to protect unauthorized access to files, documents, sensitive data on your phone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to lock any Samsung phone remotely, the device must support remote lock and remote unlock. So if your Samsung phone supports remote unlock, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on the settings app on your phone. On the settings page, just scroll down, click on security and privacy. Now, once you click on that, scroll down the page, click on more security settings. Then on the security settings page, locate theft protection, click on that. Then scroll down the page, locate remote lock and click on it. Then here you want to turn on use remote lock. Once you turn on use remote lock, this will automatically detect your phone number. And what this does is when remote lock is on, you can lock your stolen device screen with just a phone number at this particular website, android.com/lock. Then turn this on. Then you should see your Samsung phone trying to pick the phone number you have on your phone. So you want to make sure that the phone number you have on your Samsung phone pops up just like this. Otherwise, you'll not be able to lock your Samsung phone remotely. Then once you have use remote lock enabled, you can now see the settings page. Now, when next your Samsung phone is stolen or misplaced, and I want to lock it remotely, just go ahead, open the browser, and on the browser, go to android.com/lock, and then click on go. Then here, you'll be prompted to lock your lost or stolen Android device. Go ahead and type in your Samsung phone number. Once you type in your phone number here, scroll down and click on lock device. And once that is done, this is going to lock your Samsung phone remotely. So you can always unlock your Samsung phone with your PIN, pattern, password, or Face ID. So that is basically how to lock Samsung phone remotely. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.